Heptabase is not your ordinary note-taking app. It combines features from popular note-taking and designing apps such as Notion, Miro for whiteboard creation, Obsidian, and others. So if you are interested in just a straightforward, simple note-taking app, Heptabase might not be your first option simply because it's not free. However, if you prefer integrated features from popular applications or services, you might want to consider Heptabase. So, for example, I do use Notion because it has lots of views for organization of my project. For example, you can organize your projects in a table view, in a Kanban view, add notes, add tasks, and manage or monitor the progress. However, it lacks a whiteboard functionality. For this, I do use another tool called Miro, and then I embed the whiteboard into Notion. However, that's not so convenient. So having a tool that combines both of them, the possibility to organize my project and add built-in whiteboard, is a lifesaver for me. Also, designing mind maps is not built in Notion. So I use another tool to integrate mind maps into Notion. So you get the idea. You get all the tools built into only one platform. And you can even add PDFs, annotate PDF, transcribing audio and video, and also podcasts, adding journals and notes. So you get many features. So if you are interested in a complex platform like this, Heptabase is definitely worth considering.